The same tube as on the M102 is employed on the self-propelled 105mm howitzer M108. On this weapon, the tube is fitted with a chamber evacuator to pull gases out through the muzzle, providing crew comfort and safety. The full 6,400 mil turret traverse of the M108 gives it the flexibility required in modern self-propelled cannon artillery. Traversing is accomplished manually. Elevation is also manual, from a minimum of minus 106 mils to maximum of 1,333 mils. It fires both standard and extended range ammunition. Loading is accomplished manually. The rates of fire are the same as the towed versions. Recoil is held to only about 12 inches by a concentric hydrospring mechanism. With its small crew of 7, the self-propelled 105mm howitzer has space in the crew compartment to carry an ammunition load of 87 complete rounds. Through the use of aluminum armor plate, the M108's 24-ton combat weight is 4 tons less than that of the earlier self-propelled 105mm howitzer. Its 450 horsepower diesel engine sustains a cruising speed of 35 miles per hour and a range of 220 miles.